got 5 figureheads here from Plymouth, which will be presented at the box in 2020. The figureheads will form the kind of centrepiece of the entrance to the new museum. We've got King William, who's very nearly finished, and Calcutta and Sybil here. They're yet to have a wash applied to them, which we're still kind of discussing with the various stakeholders about what level to take them to. And we've also got Tamar and Topaz, who are in significantly worse condition than the 3 that are almost done.
This is Tamar, who's massive figurehead of the river god. And at the moment, he doesn't look like he used to look very much because he's in lots of fragments. We were expecting him to be really rotten when we opened him up because the sonic tomography told us that most of the material inside him was completely rotted away. And that's what we found when we opened him. We could literally lift out material with our hands, which was like a forest floor, like mulch, really wet, actually squeeze it and water would come out, and then like a sort of composty texture. So we're having to consolidate it with a resin. We just want to keep an eye on how it's drying out, not let anything dry out too fast as well. That's why we've got everything in these humidity chambers, because if it dries out very fast, there'll be a difference between the surface of the wood and the wet interior of the wood, and then the outside will start to crack and splinter and warp. And we found with Topaz that controlling the drying was really important so that we didn't end up with fragments that basically won't fit back together as a whole.
He looks like he's resting, ready to be awoken there, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's just going to have to wait a little while until his body's ready to go back on. But yeah, hopefully he'll be back to his former glory in no time at all.
Oh yeah, I think we can't wait to go into the box and see all the figureheads together again, suspended from the ceiling in their full glory.